एयर इंडिया की परवाज़ के अहमदाबाद में पेश आए अफसोसनाक हादसे पर फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन पायलट्स के सदर कैप्टन CS रंधावा ने गहरे दुख और तशवीश का इजहार किया। अपने बयान में कैप्टन रंधावा ने कहा कि ये सानहा न सिर्फ एविएशन इंडस्ट्री बल्कि हर शहरी के लिए एक दर्दनाक लम्हा है।
Captain Sumit Sabharwal, I knew him personally. I had trained him on the Airbus 310 for some time, and he was a good flyer, very balanced, and we take up all issues related to safety, and it is not a union, it's an association which does this job. Before that, I have been a Deputy Chief of Flight Operations Inspector in DGCA for 8 years in the Western region. And earlier to that, I had served in various positions in DGCA as a Flight Operations Inspector. So with the perspective, yesterday I was extremely pained and saddened by the loss of Boeing 787 Air India Flight 171 from Ahmedabad to Heathrow. Since